Have you heard of zero-waste living?
Zero-waste living is a lifestyle that rejects the modern concept of single-use and disposable items. This way of life attempts to eliminate all forms of waste and pollution, reusing or repurposing everything we can. But don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. In fact, here are 10 simple zero-waste living ideas from Europe and America to inspire you to reduce your own waste footprint. Number 1. Bring your own bags. In countries like Germany, it's common for people to carry around their own bags when they go out. Many people prefer to use cloth bags over plastic ones. So, remember to always bring your own bag with you next time you go shopping. 2. Use reusable water bottles. If you want to cut down on waste, start by ditching the disposable water bottles. Instead, use a reusable water bottle like this one, made from stainless steel or aluminum. Not only will this help you stay hydrated, but you'll also be doing your part to reduce plastic waste. 3. Say no to plastic straws. Plastic straws are a major source of pollution, especially in coastal areas. So next time you're at a restaurant, just say no to plastic straws. You can also carry around a collapsible straw like this one made from silicone. That way, you'll always have a straw with you when you need one. Number 4. Carry a handkerchief. There are many benefits to carrying a handkerchief instead of using disposable tissues. Not only is it more environmentally friendly, but it's also more hygienic since you can wash it and reuse it. Plus, it's a great conversation starter. 5. Use a menstrual cup. Menstrual cups are a great alternative to disposable pads and tampons. They're more environmentally friendly, more comfortable, and can save you money in the long run. 6. Make your own cleaning products. Cleaning products are often full of harmful chemicals that are bad for the environment and your health. That's why it's a good idea to make your own cleaning products. You can find plenty of recipes online using simple ingredients like vinegar and baking soda. Number 7. Compost your food waste. Composting is a great way to reduce the amount of waste you produce. Plus, it's a great way to make your own fertilizer. If you don't have a backyard, you can get a compost bin for your kitchen. 8. Buy in bulk. Buying in bulk is a great way to reduce waste, especially when it comes to non-perishable items. You can buy things like rice, beans, and pasta in bulk and store them in your pantry. Just be sure to use them before they go bad. 9. Use reusable containers. If you're packing a lunch or taking leftovers to work, use reusable containers instead of plastic wrap or aluminum foil. Not only is it more environmentally friendly, but it's also healthier since you're not heating up plastic or aluminum in the microwave. Number 10. Shop at zero-waste stores. One of the best ways to reduce your waste footprint is to shop at zero-waste stores. That way, you can buy all of your groceries without any packaging. You can also find plenty of zero-waste products like shampoo bars and deodorant. So there you have it. 10 easy ways to live a zero-waste lifestyle. It's not difficult to reduce your impact on the environment. By making small changes in your everyday life, you can make a big difference for the planet. So what are you waiting for? Start today and see how much waste you can reduce.